Hi, everybody, it is Kate Toretto here. So for today's video, this is gonna be like the 4th episode of my Pakistan vlog. And we're here right now in Abbottabad. Hello! Hoy, is the hotel owner. Oh, he's accommodating us. Thank you. Ang taring naman, naka-jeep kami. Ang social. Wait, wait, not inside. They can sit inside. Inside, inside, please. Inside, here. Yeah, please, inside. Thank you. Oh, see. Oh, ayan kami. Taray. Para kung may KMJS team. Ay, wait. Say hello. Hello. He's gonna...
How are you?
I'm good. This is not...
This is not the
Tell
time.
them what's your name again?
My name is Mirza Munir.
Kompleto kami. Pack with the police officer for today's video. Say hi. What's your name? Apkanam kya hai?
My name is Maz.
Mahas. Oh, katabi ko si Mahas. Ang gwapo na pa ng katabi ko. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Ano ba yan? Bigla lang ako napatingin. Ito talaga mga nangyayari. Hi. So, for today's video, we are going to... Basta may pupunta kami village. Bahala. Sorry, ang rush na nangyayari because I was editing. I was saving my files. We just transferred to a new hotel which is finished the security clearance in Abbottabad. So, we're doing a lot of things. So, ayun. Kaya, tara, let's go. I hope that it's gonna come out as a good vlog. This is gonna be a thing like the episode 4 of my Pakistan vlog. So, ayun. Hi, and before I start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification buttons on Facebook, YouTube, to TikTok accounts. So, yeah. Everybody, good afternoon from me, Kate Toretto here. So, for today, good ako para ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. Gigi. Tell them like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Okay, like and subscribe.
Okay. Diba katabi ko lang ito. Nasama ka sa vlog. Oh, everybody, this is driver POV at this moment. Ganda ng Abbottabad, no? Hoy, admit it. Look at Abbottabad. It's so beautiful. Imagine, no? You coming here winter time. It's gonna be so beautiful. And the seasoning, remember, the houses, the valley effect. I really like that. Ang social, ang ganda. Fia Gali. Fia Gali. Ay, talaga naman. Can we take a picture there?
Picture?
No, not today. It's near. I can walk. Galiat. Hoy, and someone is escorting us. Sir, thank you. Shukriya. Oh, di ba? Ang taray. Only in Pakistan, Kate Toretto, may security. Sila ulo kayo. Kaya umaakit. Kaya ina-arte si Kate Toretto sa Pakistan. Iba talaga yung impact ko sa Pakistan eh, no? With the security. Actually, marami yan sila. Tapos sinabi lang ni Junong, pwede bang isa na lang? Oo. Kasi hindi naman tayo kasya lahat sa sasakyan. Magko-convoy pa kayo. Sayang din. Wapo nung nakamotor. Masasayang. Expose natin si Mahas. Sayang naman exposure ni Mahas. Ang sinasabi ko. Kasi sayang magko-convoy pa. Ay, wag na. Tsaka hindi na ako nakapag-ayos. Kaya mo, uy, real talk, di pa ako naliligo. Uy, ang saya. Gusto ko rin mag-upo-upo dyan. Gusto ko yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Tambay-tambay ka lang dyan, upo-upo. I can smell a really good contents here in Abbottabad. Excited. So yan, ang family mo. Gusto ko yun. Like that. So this is the POV if you're in the front seat. So ayun, ganda. I like that. Do you like it? Comment down below if what you feel so far on the first few minutes of my video here in Abbottabad. Go. Or if you don't know, if you haven't tasted Pakistani mango, ayan yung pinaka malapit na lasa sa manggang dilaw natin sa Pilipinas. Yung matamis, it tastes the same. Yes, almost na. Not naman 100%. At first, you will know it's different, but yes, it almost tastes the same. Face card sila dito, mami, no? Yung malakaupo lang sa gilid, yung walang ginagawa in life, face card, hala. Ang galaw, Hamza. Gusto ko itong mga pa-adventuring. Oo pa, ulo kayo. Maalog kami, ulo ka. Walang titigil sa adventure hanggat walang nauuntog. The adventure is adventuring. Can we really fit here? Pwede really, makikit tayo dyan. Ay! Orkot, mami. Ala. Orkot, mami. Ala. Ayan, kasya talaga kami dito. Really, it can fit?
Yeah.
Pag nag-fit talaga tayo dito, hala. Kasya talaga? Wait nga, naku-curious ako. Ay, kumasya! Achievement, my God. You know why I tell everyone Pakistanis are good drivers? Because you can manage this. Yeah. If it's Filipinos, we will say, no, we will just walk. Grabe, ang galing, no? Napasok mo yun. Kung nararamdaman nyo lang yung nararamdaman ko at the moment. Feeling ko babagsak. Feeling ko sasempl lang kami anytime. Diyos ko, ano ba? Lakarin na lang natin to. Hindi ako na, ay, pumuchat ka. Diyos ko, Panginoon, kung mababa lang to, okay lang to. Sa Gilgit Baltistan, mami, pag gumagsak ka doon, end na ng story mo. Storya ka na lang. Dito, ano pa to, NMC Hospital ka lang dito, mga 5 days. Ay, yan. Sa Gilgit, mami, wala. Walang comeback to life talaga. Oo. Hoy, the road is roadening. I always say that. The road is roadening. That's it. May support ako dito, tawa-tawa lang siya. Kung ganyan yung support sa'yo, magpa-support ka. Really, that's my question. How we will come back from here? Paano tayo liliko? Yun naman talaga yung tanong ko, paano tayo babalik dito? Si Mahas, masan ka na? Oo, pa. Daming exposure ni Mahas. Angkas sa likod, sa ulo, kanina. Madelikado. Madisgrasya pa kayo doon. Ay, sa loob, sama-sama tayo. Para pag bumagsak, lumpia tayo. Grabe yung pawis ng kilikili ko. Na-orkot ako, mami. Pero pinipilit ko lang magpanggap na okay lang ako. We have arrived. Dumating tayong ligtas. Hoy, dumating tayong ligtas. Buhay. Kompleto yung kamay. Na-preserve yung gantong ilong. Charot. Yung ilong talagang ganito. Hi everybody, we have arrived in our destination. So, ayun. Few minutes lang naman siya, pero okay lang yan. Kala ko hindi ako magsusurvive. Muntika na ako. Joke lang. Taray naman talaga. May pa-security naman akong nag-aagal. G na lang nasabi niya, G! Ay! Water! Dumulas tayo, dalawa. Para isa lang. Nadudulas sila eh. Dana ka lang. Uy! O, diba? Lampa ako sa ganito eh. Hayan saya. Ay, gusto ko to. Ay, wear slippers na lang. Ay, masugatan kaya yung paa ko. Oh, wait lang, Mahas. Diba? Kakakilala mo lang kay Mahas, kinuha mo na agad. Wait lang. Sana wag ako masugatan, na-stress ako. Let's go. No, it's okay. The pants, okay lang. Tapos bumagsak ako, no, hala. Teka lang. Bayan, nakakaloka.
You want to wear that?
No, it's okay.
It's okay if you want to wear.
No. Oh, it's okay in Kabanatuan. Sa Nueva Ecija, ganito din. Sa ano yun eh, sa Gabaldon. Hoy, naganto kami sa Gabaldon nung bata kami. Alam nyo ba? Si Mahas, o nanata. Ay, very wrong yung pinag-shoes niya ako. Alam mo, magpapaan na lang ako. Okay, I'll just use my feet. I'm the first foreigner.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah,
Everybody, once again, it's an honor to the Philippines. First ever Filipino foreigner, any type of foreigner who was able to go here in this place in Abbottabad. Another thumbs up kay Toretto. Kahit 5 oras tayo sa security, go. Si Mahas na hatak ko.
He can't speak.
You have a big body, I guess.
Yeah. I do think.
No, you look like that.
No, I'm not. See hard. 3 years.
Yeah.
I do the same.
Do you do sports?
Sorry?
Do you do sports?
Yeah.
Okay. You do what?
Boxing.
Okay, just don't box me. I'm joking.
And
And
training, gym.
yeah, you look like that. Pagkahawak ko kasi ng braso, sabi ko, ang laki, parang hita ko na. Dapat talaga, lang. Mas galit ka ba? I'm joking, I'm talking to him in my language.
Yeah.
You look like someone, I'm thinking, who eh?
Sorry?
I'm still thinking.
Who?
I'm still thinking. I'm trying to remember. Ano to? Gagi, bumagsak ako dito. Yan, like that. Sorry, hinata ko yung bata. Ganda. Ay, sorry. I was saying, it's beautiful, right? No, it's okay. Thank you. Diba, Disney princess treatment talaga ako dito. My God. Yeah. Everyone. Also, your shoes is ay, ang taray, may cameraman, diba? Ang taray talaga. Okay? Galit sa akin si Mas. Diba, behind the scenes. Taray ng cameraman. Sarap dun maligo. I wanna take shower there. Let's go. No, not now. Later.
Later.
Yeah. Salam. Salam. Hi. Gusto ko talaga to. Kuhanin ko yan. Salam alaikum. Salam.
She never leaves my thoughts.
Because it is the best one. Not bully. I just appreciate it. It's so cute. See the light, oh, pa. Vlogging yung light. Okay. Just go to the stones. The stone is stoning. Hi. Hi. Yeah, I'm enjoying the wild. Nabasa ako. Basaan na siya. Kaya mo na. Wala tayong magagawa. Gusto ko to. Uy, gusto ko doon. Wait nga. Wait lang, gusto ko dito. So, maligo dito, mami. Dapat pala, tinanggal ko yung socks ko. Tsaka ako nag-ikot-ikot dito. May mga bata pa doon, oh. Uwe! Charas! Wala uwe. Kala mo hinahanap lang yung pinsan, di ba? Let's go. I think you are also famous in this place.
Who?
You.
No.
You are rich guy. That's why everyone knows you. I know this in Pakistan. I know.
Some.
We will go there.
This is the flour mill.
I know that the one that's rolling. We have that in Swabi, but let's check it again if it's okay.
No, it's not working.
It's not working. Okay. Sorry naman. Gusto ko tong parang paano to excursion na to na nagaganap. nawala daw yung phone ng polis. Salam alaikum. Salam. I'm good. Take care. With that, take care. Marami nangyayari dito. Oh, hello. Dahil.
From here,
Yeah.
and then the wind moves and
Hello. What is he doing there? Yeah.
Hello.
I will go up.
Enjoying the view.
Okay, I will.
You want to go there?
Yeah. Sure. Hold me, ha. I can manage this. I am good. This is good. Just. Asan na yung cameraman? Ganyan pala may mga pa. Okay, umakit tayo at the moment sa mga mga tawag ito? Pahagdan. Ito na mo, oh, may mga pagganyan sila. May ganyan kami sa Swabi, remember? Puro ako Swabi, sabi ng mga kasama ko. You always say Swabi, yes. Okay, it's now Abbottabad. Let's go Abbottabad. Hello! Tari ng mga tambay dito, no? Ang gagapo, no? Hey, brother! Kuya! Hello! Oh, gagi, face card yung mga tambay, oh. No, you can take picture of this. Thank you. Thank you. Shukriya. Dito ko masusubok kung sapatos na to pang bugbugan. Found the phone? Winala mo, sir. Ikaw talaga. Kung sino pa yung poli. Kung sino pa yung poli, siya pa yung nakuha ng sarili niyang telepono. Ang ganda ng bundok, aminin nyo. Oh. Pak. Oh. Talaga naman.
No, he doesn't know.
Salam. This is the end?
no.
Hindi pa pala. Hindi pa pala. Kala ko tapos na. Kala ko katapusan na. Umaalog. Careful. Umaalog. Careful. Wow. Wow. Adventure, yes. May bigla ang pabundok, may bigla ang waterfalls. But again, it's the local experience, everybody. So, ayan. Ang saya. Ay, antaray. Kita mo, yung mga bata dito, pag sinali mo to lahat sa yung mga parang Star Circle Quest Kids Edition, panalo lahat. Catch daw ng goat. Di ba takot nga ako sa kambing? No need to hold. No need to hold. Tapos nanipa. No. Ay! Ay.
No, it's just didn't bite.
Yeah. Hoy, the goat is goatening. Okay.
It's not a lion. Come
Huh?
on. It's not a lion.
The mother is watching. See?
Yeah, maybe the mother will do like that to us. Matigas, this is really hard.
No, it's a baby.
It's heavy.
Yes, a baby. कितने महीने है?
So,
It's
aray, aray.
2 months old.
There's a natusok yung puwet ko sa 2 months.
Yeah, it's 2 months old.
The mother is here. Maybe the mother get angry.
No.
Malay mo lang naman.
Yes, it's not.
How many kilogram?
Been कितने एक
How many kilogram?
12 kilo.
12 kilo.
Hindi na ako kakain ng muton karay.
12 kg.
Gusto ko na ng goat. I like goat now.
Yeah.
Can I take
want
this
to
to
pet this goat?
Yeah. Can I take it now? Binaby yung goat. Oh, sorry naman. Goat lover. Nadilaan niya ako. Dinidilaan niya ako. Hey! Dinidilaan niya ako. Dinidilaan niya ako. Si Maso. Galaw-galaw. Shukriya. Hoy, I hope that to everybody who's watching this, I hope that you're enjoying this because this is exactly what the local experience is all about. Salam. 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 Face card yung nakadilaw. Oh, shit. Sana tumingin. Grabe yung gwapo sa Pakistan. Nasa kadududuhalong ka na ng bundok, meron pa rin mukhang Kingdom Dantes. Richard Gutierrez. Gwapo. Bakit kamukha sila ni Brad Pitt, no? Anak ba ito lahat ni Brad Pitt? Uy, kagagwapo man nila. Hinihingal ako. Pero pag nakita ko ng gwapo, ay, naganto-ganto ako kunwari. Uy, sabi ko. Naganda-gandahan talaga ako. Thank you for the jeeping.
No problem. It's yours. You're our guest.
Thank you. Ganda ng car niya, super.
Do you like the Jeep?
Yeah, too much. It's a dream car for me.
The
Yes. And the color, yeah?
you are from Philippines or Thailand?
Sorry?
You are from Philippines or Thailand?
Philippines.
Oh.
It's a dream car for
I
me.
searched-
G? Kay Toretto. There's milk inside. So when they remove, there's already milk?
In the evening and in the morning.
Ah,
And the left milk will be drink his children, his cubs,
okay.
the baby ones. And the rest will use for the household.
Yeah. Para tong Snow White. The Snow White is Snow Whiting, ganon. Parang, hala, hinahabol ka ng witch. Charot lang. Yung parang, ay, pwede na akong artista. Yeah, why? Bayan? Cut. Okay. Na-ouch ako. Ouch. Natus. Yeah, he's well. Okay, can you go first?
Go.
No, you go first. Yeah, I am very careful. Diba? Oh, ayan. Pag natusok ta, pag tayo na ano tayo dito, cancel mga 5 episode. Ganoon. Survive, buhay pa. Salam. What is this? Chicken?
Barbecue program.
I will come back. I will get one. Thank you. See you later, okay? Okay, I will. Tumitila talaga ako.
Making barbecue.
Yeah, I said I will get one later. Yeah. I said yes. Let's come back. I will wait for you.
Oh,
Yes.
The people's generosity.
Yeah.
You show their generosity.
Yes. Sa Pilipinas mo gawin yan. No, I'm talking to myself. Ay, daming nagaganap na pa-camping, oh. May mga pa-camping dito. Tara nga, ano kaya niluluto nila? Do you have pani? You have pani?
Pani wala lagi rawala.
No? Have pani? No, it's okay. I'm just joking.
आप उधर आ जाओ.
Thank you. Can I have little?
Yeah, you can drink. You want this?
Yes. I don't like it, but they don't have
Show their
water.
hospitality.
I will sit.
Gusto mo yung ako na yung nag-i-insist, ako na yung nangihingi dito sa Pakistan. Kayo talaga, gustong-gusto nyo yung mga ganyan. Shukriya. Nang hingi.
You want more?
No, it's okay. No, I want the water, but it's okay. Shukriya. Break time.
Look natural top.
Salam. Ito, naka-shades pa, oh.
लेकिन हो गया मुसलमान.
Hello.
आ जाओ.
Ito pala yung akin.
बड़ा
Ano ito? Rasha. Baby ba? Saan na si Sir? Good. Sir.
चलो सब ऐसे.
Lady like this.
एक वीडियो क्लिप ले
Hey!
के पकाया सो पकाया
Ay, daming camera. Oh, tayo ito mga naka-iPhone, no?
ना मैं वैसे पूछना
Assalamualaikum. Philippines. What happened to you?
accident
What
He
accident?
got accident on
Bike?
bike
Why?
where they do overspeeding. Overspeed.
Not careful eh. Pinalo. Sige, nag-iingat eh.
He said that someone hit from the backside.
Ah,
See,
good.
see his energy. After 2 days, he's on picnic.
Ah, yeah.
So, bike pe hai abhi bhi. Again, he came from on bike.
Again? Good. Huwag kang titigil hanggat hindi ka nabubugbog. Ah, amazing. Di ba? Ang galing ka.
Internet bhi on. Internet on
काम करेगा?
Facebook, TikTok, YouTube like this.
Instagram
Yes. All. 10 kayo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 10 followers If no, more. Sinaktan. Sinaktan siya. Laki nito, no? You're big, no?
What?
You're big. You're like a two body of people. Ang laking tao niya, grabe. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo sa camera. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. But his body is a combination of 2 people. Salam. No, Philippines, kamusta ka? Inihaw mo niya ako.
This is Chinese.
Yeah,
Chinese.
TikTok.
ये follow करो अच्छा सब account को इसको.
10 kayo, Bilang ko kayo.
हाँ, ऐसा नहीं.
Bilang ko kayo. Ay, 2. Hello. Bilang ko kayo. Charit lang, joke lang.
हो गया
Ayaw repost. Talaga namin. Support. Supportinin ka talaga. Niloloko ko itong nasemple lang sa motor. Sabi ko, pag di niya ako pinalo, sasaktan ko siya. Dadagdagan ko yan. Joke lang. More walk. Ay, we are 2 minutes away from the waterfall. So, ayun. Let's keep walking. This is so good, no?
Yeah.
I can live here for the rest of my life. Oh, yes. Salam.
Assalamualaikum
Salam. Ganda naman tanit. Oh, sorry.
Easy.
Salam.
तो
Okay.
Rasha.
एक second में बात.
Join. Rasha.
एक second.
If like this, it will be 4K. If you switch it like this, hello. Kita niyo ba yun? Hello? Sorry, I got distracted. Kita niyo ba yung may abs? Ang sakit sa puson. Nagbe-behave ako. May policeman kami sa likod. O, may security man ako. Kaya behave lang ako. Kaya hindi bahala mag-comment down below dyan ng mga nabibilang ninyo. Uy, wag na sa akin manggaling. Dahil pa excursion for today's video. Talaga naman. Ay, may pa-jumping.
Catch your hand.
Yeah. Ay, I knew it. I knew it. It's okay.
But you did a great job.
Yeah, it's a good shot. Alam ko yan, pag mamamatay ako, gustong-gusto niya natatawa yung cameraman, no? Teka lang! Hoy, wait! Wait lang! Wait! I'm scared! Okay. Pangkambing na to, mami! Hala! Woo!
I go without support.
Hamsa! The camera! Grabe naman itong mga pinagdaraanan namin sa araw na to. Yoko na! Umayaw. Hala, your clothes are dirty now. Why you wear white? Yeah, because some...
Sound.
Yeah.
Very scary.
Yeah.
Just tell something. What do you think?
I think that we can come back alive. I think and I hope that we can come back alive.
The party night here at the evening,
Kita mo. Yeah.
but not more than many people.
How many only? Only 2?
Yeah.
And then
What? Two? Group of friends.
Yeah. Wait! Natatakot ako baka magasgasan yung balat ko. Wait, natatakot talaga ako. I don't want. Baka bumaldog ako.
ये तो लागू का होगा. video with you for
No.
TikTok.
अफगानिस्तान से आए ना
No,
He came from Afghanistan.
not allowed. Joke lang. Sabi niya, I wanna make TikTok. Sabi ko, hindi pwede. Charot lang. Go. Kung ganito yung mga, kung ganito yung mga nag-ano sa'yo mag-TikTok, dapat pumayag ka. O add to cart yun na po. Pag green eyes, add to cart. TikTok ha. Everybody, that's gonna be it. I hope that you were able to enjoy the fourth episode of my Pakistan vlog. I hope that you were able to appreciate the beauty of Abbottabad. I hope that I was able to show you the local culture. I hope that you were able to dive in deeply in the Pakistani culture. Again, this is Kay Toretto, and wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope that you're having a great day. If not, always remember that tomorrow is another day. Again, I am with Jedun Wildscape, and of course, thank you to Hitu, our managing director for today's video. So, ayun, bye-bye!